This insanely delicious Oreo cream delight is a breeze to make with just a few simple ingredients and no oven needed. And trust me, it is so much better than Oreo cheesecake.
Yum.
Let me show you how easy it is to make this delicious Oreo dessert. First, you need some Oreo cookies. About 20 to 25 cookies are enough for this recipe. Carefully twist each Oreo cookie to separate the cream filling from the cookie. Put the cream part in the mixing bowl and the cookie part in a blender or a food processor. Then, blend the cookie halves until they become fine crumbs, as you can see here. Next, take a mixing bowl and pour the Oreo crumbs into the mixing bowl and add 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Give it a good mix until the crumbs are coated and start to stick together, as you can see here. Next, take a medium-sized springform pan and dump the Oreo crumbs in there. Use a spatula to spread them out nice and even. Then, take the bottom of a glass and press down on the crumbs to make sure they are packed in tight and form a solid base, as you can see me doing here. Now, take the separated cream pieces and add 1/3 cup or 6 tablespoons of condensed milk. Mix the cream and condensed milk together with a fork until it is smooth and well combined, just like you see here. Then, add 180 milliliters or about 3/4 cup of heavy cream. Use an electric mixer to whip everything until it is nice and fluffy. Next, scoop all that creamy goodness on top of the cookie base in the pan. Spread it out evenly with a spatula, making sure it covers the base completely. Then, sprinkle some more crushed Oreo pieces on top until it is completely covered, and our Oreo dessert looks really yummy. Put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to let the dessert set and firm up before serving. This Oreo dessert is pure yum. The crunchy cookie base pairs perfectly with the smooth, creamy filling that just melts in your mouth. Every bite is a delicious treat that will have you coming back for more, trust me. You will not want to share. Check out also how to turn the exact same ingredients into rich and creamy Oreo ice cream here. Check it out now.